How to start a blog in 5 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get started with blogging and how you can create your blog website. So let's get into it. Now, I am going to be using blogger.com since, as the name suggests, it is used for blogging and stuff like that, but you can use other websites as well. Like for example, Hostinger, they have an amazing plan where you can go ahead and get started with hosting and create a website on WordPress as well. You can go with Bluehost. They also have very similar plans where you can get started with under $3 per month, and you will need to buy a domain, so that'll bump your cost up to like $15-20 depending on the price of your domain. But you can go with Bluehost as well, and one of my personal favorites is Namecheap. You can get started with here, and I have tested this out with other websites. They provide one of the most cheapest domain prices as well, alongside with Hostinger. Hostinger is just a little bit more expensive, but compared to Namecheap, it's really not that much of a difference. They're both very similar, so you can go with this one as well. They also provide hosting and WordPress and other tools as well, but you can go ahead and get started with those one. I'm just simply going to show you how you can create a blogging website using Blogger, right? So let's get started. So here we're going to click on create your blog first, and it's free as well, but you can go ahead and connect your domain later on. So for now, we'll go ahead and click on create your blog by clicking on the create your blog button and selecting your Google account, clicking on next. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Next, you got to choose a name for your blog, right? So here, let's say we want to create a recipes type of blog where you have some of your famous recipes of your family, depending on where you live. So here you can go with whatever name you want. So we're going to add this name over here and then click on next. And this is going to be your blog post. So again, I'll just add that, the savory spoon. Okay, so this is not available. So let me try again. All right, so this is available, the Rolling Pin Diary. So we're going to go with this one and then click on next. Now here you can add your display name, confirm your display name, and then click on finish. So now that that's done, we should be good to go. So now we are good to go. Now it's done. Now we can go ahead and start creating posts, right? So here on the left hand side, we have all of our options. We have layout, pages, everything. We even have settings option where we can go ahead and set up domains and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and click on the theme option, and here we can select one of the themes that you can see right here. So the overall themes are going to be pretty simple. You've got different color options, right? And different looks and feels, simple dynamics. So you can go ahead and select whichever option you want. I think this one looks really good. If it's a recipe type of website, something like this would look really, really good. And this one as well, but totally depends on you. So what I think is, I think we will go with this one. Actually, this one looks really nice. Or we can go with this one, which has all of the main options. So select the one that you want. You can see right here, this is the preview. We can see this is how it looks like. We've got our recipes and then a little bit of text explaining their history and where they come from and the recipe and everything. I think this looks good. We can go ahead and click on apply. If you want to customize it, you can customize it as well, but if you click on customize, it'll open up the customization tool where you can go ahead and set up background images, main colors, and yeah. So currently we don't have any posts, but we can go ahead and fix that really quickly. So we've already applied it. So let's come back over here to our dashboard and we create one post just as an example. So let's go ahead and create a new post, and here I'm going to add a new recipe. All right, so this is going to be our main option, right? So actually what we'll do is we'll go with this one and copy this, actually cut that, put it in the middle, center it, and then down below we'll add a heading, and this is going to be the main heading, recipes and origins, and we're going to put it in the center as well. And I think this is okay. And here I think we can input the image. So we'll click on insert image and we'll click on upload from the computer or by URL, whatever. So we'll upload from computer, select the image, and once it's uploaded, there we go. We now have the image over here. Can we move it? We can make it bigger as well. I think this is a good place to put it. Yeah, there you go. It's big enough. And I think we'll go ahead and yeah, that's okay. There we go. And now at the bottom, we're just going to start writing our recipe. So first we'll add a subheading, and this is going to be what is tres leches, and the text, I think it's okay. The text, I don't like it. We could go with the default fonts, or actually go with the Arial fonts. I think Arial is nice. And now we just type in what the tres leches is. There we go. I think that's okay. And next we can go ahead and start writing how we can go ahead and create it. I would also like to add like a insert jump over here like that, and also one over here, just because why not? Add that over there and then make it subheading like that. Yeah, that looks good. And now we can go ahead and move on to the next step, which is going to be the ingredients. Don't worry, I've already added all of this in a notepad just so that I can just copy and everything. And gotta go ahead and make it a subheading as well, like that. And this one is gonna be a minor heading, like so. For the sponge cake, we can add whatever we want, but I think this is okay. And next, again, we're gonna add this line breaker like that, and we're gonna back over here. And now I think we can go with the next part. Next is gonna be the instructions. Again, we're gonna go ahead and give that a subheading, and these are gonna be minor headings. Same with this one, minor heading. Select the text, and there we go, minor heading. All right. Again, add this line break, and now we're gonna add the history of this cake as well. There we go. And we also, again, just keep doing this subheadings. I think this is okay. Actually, we should make these headings. For some reason it's not getting bigger, so I'll just leave it as it is but now. And yeah, this looks good. And then again, go ahead and add the insert jump separator. And then we could add like a fun fact, whatever we want, like that. I think that's okay now. That looks good. Next, we can just simply go ahead and publish it, publish the post. And here we go. So now we can go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and view the post, see how it looks like. And here we go. So this is how it looks like. It looks pretty nice, pretty simple, clean. We can add comments as well, but this is how it looks like, right? Really nice. And yeah, this is our whole website as of right now. And we can add multiple other posts as well. But for now, this is okay. This is how it works. We can add multiple pages for traditional recipes, for cakes, for savory items, for steaks, different layouts, different pages, different recipes, right? And once that's done, we should be good to go. Next, all that's left for us to do is to set up our domain. We can come over here into the settings section, and here we have the publishing option, and here we have blogging address, which is like over there. We have custom domain over here, and here we can add our custom domain, and then we can add those custom domains and connect them, and we are good to go. So it's pretty simple once you use Blogger. You can use other options as well, like hosting or Bluehost, but I feel like Blogger is a much simpler option. So if you've watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online, and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner, and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.